And remember this, you'll be alone in the most difficult times of your life. These times will make you wise, mature, and fearless. No matter what good you do to people, they will only remember your mistakes. No, it's one of the most powerful words in existence. Don't be a people pleaser for the best, prepare for the worst. To reach somewhere, you need to leave something behind. It's best to leave things at the right time. Otherwise, you are left with too many regrets and complaints. People want you to succeed, but not more than themselves. When you're working for someone else's dream, you sacrifice your own. Bad times are actually a boon because they wake you up to the good things you never paid attention to. No matter how nice or respectful you are, some people will still talk bad about you behind your back. You may not realize this, but the people you love. If you're not following us, you will probably never hear my voice again. But if you are, congratulations. Drop 100 if you read this far